Hello, I'm Henry King, and I'm going to be teaching you how to install plugins for RPG Maker MV. So first of all, we're going to go up to this puzzle icon up here. This is going to be our plugin manager, and this is where we select our plugins, and in this menu we see a list of plugins. But what if we want a plugin that's not currently listed in here? Well, for the example of this video, I made this plugin a while back that removes the title screen of RPG Maker. So what you want to do is just get your plugin from anywhere, and I'm gonna copy this, and then go back to RPG Maker, and then click on Game, Open Folder, and then click on JS, and then Plugins. And this is where all the plugins are located. Now I'm gonna paste my plugin here. So there you go. That's my plugin, HK Title Screen Remover. Now, if I go back to the plugins manager, double click, you can see that my plugin is listed here, and I can select it. Now, after you selected your plugin, click Apply, okay, then save your game, and play. And then as you can see, the plugin works because there's no title screen, which is pretty cool. And that is how you install plugins into RPG Maker MV. See ya.